Recently, the Indian Council of Medical Research has come forward with the Do Not Attempt Resuscitation, that is DNAR guidelines. In this video, we shall be studying what the ICMR DNAR guidelines are. So we all know CPR is an emergency procedure to revive patients suffering from cardiac and or respiratory arrest, and it is comprised of 4 components. These are chest compressions, breathing, shock, and injectable drugs. Either or all of these can be used to do CPR. DNAR. DNAR or do not attempt resuscitation relates to CPR only, and this is very important to be understood that this term is related to CPR and its components, the 4 components which we had seen in the previous slide. It is distinct from withdrawal or withholding or of other life support treatments like of ventilation, of oxygenation, of fluids, etc. And other potentially and curative supportive care should be continued, and one should be respectful of patient's autonomy and should be in the interests of patient by the treating physician on a case-to-case basis. So it is applicable only and only to CPR, that is if a patient has suffered from cardiac or respiratory arrest. So when should the process be thought of? In a patient who has serious, often terminal, debilitating, incurable illness without prospect of a reasonable quality of life even after he has been revived with successful CPR. It should be done in anticipation before an impending cardiorespiratory arrest during the current period of hospitalization of the patient. There should be adequate opportunity, time and space to discuss with the patient and family in private and facilitate clear understanding with them. It is to be decided and exercised by the treating physician who is supposedly well versed with the patient's medical condition properly. He should initiate discussions with the patient or the surrogate and explain in detail patient's disease and prognosis and benefits and harms of CPR under the given medical circumstances in case the patient develops respiratory or cardiac arrest. The decision should be informed and a written one. Written means DNAR forms are also available. It is a teamwork and good communication is the key. A combined decision making can also be done by the treating physician with a psychologist, a social worker, a counselor, or a hospital administrator if the treating physician is unsure about the futility of CPR, whether or not it will be beneficial, and if there is no consensus between the physician and the patient or the surrogate, if the patient is insistent and the physician does not think so, or vice versa. A copy of completed DNAR form should be attached to the patient's case records and integrated with the electronic health records also if the facility is available, and they should be archived for future reference. So this is all what ICMR has to say regarding do not attempt resuscitation. Thank you.